And welcome to the 28th tutorial, and actually the final tutorial in the HTML Basics tutorial series. And in this tutorial we're going to look at commenting. Commenting essentially allows you to annotate your code. This tutorial assumes you have done tutorial 1. If you haven't, there'll be a link in the description to the source code, and as usual there'll be a link in the description to the source code produced from this tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and open up the web page that we created in tutorial 1 in the text editor. And here we go. To do a comment, it's this simple. You open the angle bracket, you put exclamation mark, put dash dash, and now you start putting your comment. And to close the comment, you put dash dash and greater than. And then inside you can put this is the body, and this code will be visible if I just run it. Oops, it's easy, my bad. Let's run in here. Yeah, as you can see, nothing has appeared because it's a comment. A comment isn't actually meant to appear. So if we were to maybe put this inside the body to demonstrate that it doesn't appear either, go back to Chrome, and there you go, it just doesn't appear. Another cool thing about commenting is, you might have noticed it when I was doing it before, you can use it to basically comment out code. So what I could do is comment out the hello world, go back to my web browser, click refresh, hello world is no longer there. And you might ask, what's the benefit of commenting out code? And the biggest benefit is if you're experimenting with features, debugging, and instead of deleting code, because this is only 2 words, imagine if you had, I don't know, 50 lines of code, you don't want to start deleting it. If you just comment it out, it won't run, but you can just see if that's the intended result that you wanted. If it is, then you can take it out completely, or take chunks out, or uncomment it so it's back in there, and you don't have to worry about losing it. That's a great thing about commenting. Like I said, this is the final tutorial which covered commenting. There won't be any more tutorials in this series, but if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you have any questions that we feel warrant a video and that will help the community, we will create a HTML community tutorial series. Look out for our CSS basics tutorial series, which will be coming over the next week or 2, and a JavaScript tutorial series not long after that. If you have any questions, like I said, feel free to message us and we will help. And thanks for watching.